Today's chin chin making was almost disastrous, but we're able to save the day. Into your bowl, add your wet ingredient, which is 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of sugar. You then stir this and allow it to sit for a while so that the sugar can melt. In another bowl, sieve your flour. We use 8 cups of flour here. You then add half teaspoon of nutmeg and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, milk flavor, and 125 grams of margarine, which I skipped. I was supposed to add the margarine at this point. However, I added the wet ingredient first. So you mix it. It was after I mixed it that I realized that I did not add margarine. So I'm adding this margarine, showing you this. This is 250 grams of margarine. I cut it in half and I'm using half of it. I now added the margarine because you cannot make chin chin without margarine. Butter can also be used in place of margarine when making chin chin. So I went ahead to roll out my dough and I dusted it with flour a bit and I cut it into the desired shape I wanted. The reason you're dusting with flour is so that it will not be sticky. If you don't have a pizza cutter, you can use knife for this exact process. Just dust it with flour and go ahead to cut. It's going to come out good. If you have watched to this point, please give me a follow, like, share, or drop a comment. Thank you. Into a pan, you add your vegetable oil. I use vegetable oil to fry this chin chin. And when the oil is hot enough, you drop your chin chin into the hot oil to fry. Allow this to fry until it's golden brown and crunchy. Please, you have to also move it around with your frying spoon so that it doesn't burn. Keep frying and moving it around the pan until you've gotten your desired result. Then you remove it from the hot oil so you can fry the next batch of chin chin. Our chin chin is ready at this point, so you allow it to cool down and you serve with your desired drink.